Hello everyone. Start off by combing the hair, take a section of the top, tie a rubber band to it. Make 2 divisions out of it and then make a braid out of it. Make 2 braids out of it. Taking 2 sections from the side, add multiple rubber bands, make 2 braids at the bottom, roll it up. Leave out a section from the front and then, using this front section, make 3 sections out of each of the sides. Taking the center section, make 2 braids out of it. As for the other 2, make braids out of it. Join each of them together as such. Add some decorative clips to it. Add a decorative piece to the top of the scalp as such, and then using the decorative piece as a section, begin to braid the hair as such. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Join it in the ponytail at the back, braid the hair, roll it up. Make a bow as well. Start off by tying a ponytail, then take a section of this ponytail, add a rubber band to it. Taking the rest of the section, split it into 2 parts, wrap it around the first section, and then tie another rubber band in the front. Continue to do this until you reach the base. Divide the hair into 4 parts, taking the top part of it, divide the hair into 2 sections, and begin to twist it one on top of the other as such. After you are done, roll it up into a bun. Take the bottom, make 2 braids out of it. Take a section of the top, add a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Add a ribbon to the hair and then, using the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of it. Tie a bow at the bottom. Take 2 sections on the side, wrap it around this braid, and then once more add a ribbon to it and make a braid out of it. Repeat this step. Take the front section of the hair, make 2 braids out of it, and then tie it up as such, making some bumps. At the back, make 2 sections, tie a ponytail at the bottom. Tie a ponytail and then take a small section of this ponytail, tie a rubber band to it. Take the rest of the section, divide it into 2 parts and wrap it around the first. Do this until you reach the base. Tie a ponytail at the back and then taking the front section at the top, make a braid out of it. Taking the bottom section, make 2 parts out of it and then wrap it around the initial braid. Tie a braid at the bottom, roll it up. At the back, take a bun stick, roll the hair up accordingly and then make a bun out of it, adjust it. Take a section from the top, tie a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Repeat this step once more until you reach the base. Now make a fishtail braid at the bottom as such. Add some decorative clips once you are done. Divide the hair into 4 portions and then make a braid out of the bottom portion. Loosen the sections of it using your fingers. As for the top ponytail, divide it into 2 sections, twist one on top of the other as such and then wrap it up into a bun. Add a decorative clip. Start off by taking the top ponytail, make 2 braids out of it as such by using a ribbon. Roll it up into a bun. Make 2 ponytails at the top as such and then make a braid out of it. Taking another section from the middle, wrap it around the braid that you have created, roll the hair in on itself as such. Braid the bottom and then roll it up and tie it in place. Thank you for watching.